Morning, children. Today we will continue the class 10 history first lesson. In the previous class, the French Revolution and the idea of nation I have explained you. Now the next topic is the making of nationalism in Europe. As you know, East and the Central Europe were under the aristocratic monarchy, within the territories of which lives diverse population. They did not see themselves as a sharing of a collective identity or a common culture. Actually, autocratic means those who are the people of kingship, the member, they are aristocratic. Monarchy is the form of government in which a king or queen rule a country. So there is a not a collective identity, common culture. The difference between is this: the people of Austria and the Sudanland, as well as the Bosnia, they were aristocratic predominantly. German speaking, they were German speaking. In Italian speaking province were Lombardia, Venetia. Half of the Hungary population were know the Magyar language, that is the dialect. In the area of Galicia, aristocracy was spoke Polish language, and the peasant people, the Bosnia and Slovaks in the north, they were of different reasons, just like Roman of the east, they were Transylvanians, and so there should not be a easily promote a sense of political unity among them. So, how the nationalism of an idea of the nation state emerged? It emerged not directly, by slowly or gradually, continuously. So, a land of aristocracy was the dominant class of a continent, and they spoke French for the purpose of the diplomacy of high society. The families were often controlled by ties of marriage. The majority of population was made up of the peasantry. Some of them were farmed and tenant and small owner. In the Eastern and Central Europe, the pattern of land holding were characterized. There vast eastern which were cultivated by the sheriffs. So western part of Central Europe, the half in the half of 18th century, England industrialization developed. In France, the part of the German and state, it occurred only during the 19th century industrialization.